Hey everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale. 20 Underwood is located in Brooklyn. This meticulously maintained home has so much to offer. Now let's get going through this property because we have a lot to see. Welcome home. This house has a lot to offer, and I can't wait to show you every little detail about it. We have beautiful hardwood floors that flow throughout the entire home, as well as California shutters. Check out this main living area. Of course, it's a little bit of the formal side, but of course, it's an extra area where you can enjoy some great time with your family. As we enter into the formal dining room, you can tell that connects directly to the kitchen, which is a fantastic flow when you have friends and family over and you're looking for that little bit of entertaining mood. Then as we enter into the kitchen, we've got beautiful granite countertops, extra pantry space, an eat-in area, and so much more, including those double doors leading you out towards the backyard when you have those barbecue family days. Coming in to our family room, again, another space to host more people. Because let me tell you, when you purchase this home, your family members are going to want to spend their entire day here. Now get checking out the main level laundry space and the two-piece bathroom, and I'll meet you upstairs because we have some fantastic bedrooms to check out. Two words for this second floor. Natural light. With huge windows throughout every single room, this second floor has so much natural light flooding through every corner. You don't even have to keep the lights on. Welcoming into the primary bedroom, check out that little reading nook. Isn't it so cute? And we've got a large walk-in closet and a 5-piece ensuite. Now go check out those other bedrooms and I'll meet you downstairs in the finished basement. Fancy meeting you there. Now that we've come down into the finished basement, I do want to add a couple things that you may miss. We've got a large closet in that 4th bedroom in the basement. We have tons of storage and a gas fireplace with that beautiful stone accent for you to cozy up with a nice blanket and maybe even a book in the winter, in the summer, or any time that you decide to enjoy this space. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of this tour. If you want to see other great homes just like this, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, like and comment. But if you'd like your own private tour of this house, call the number above, and we'll be right there to help you out. We'll see you next time.